Okay, let's paint this baseboard together. I got about a 1/2 inch of paint in there. Dunk the brush, not dripping. I'm gonna do the top of the baseboard first, and I'm gonna push it against the wall, about 1 inch. And I'm gonna do the other side, about 1 inch. We're gonna be painting the walls, and then I'm gonna start high up here, and I'm gonna work my angled bristle down into the corner, and then I'm gonna draw a straight line. I'm not touching the floor, only the baseboard. And then I'm gonna go like this, high, and I put pressure on my bristles. Hear it? Don't be afraid to put pressure on it. Now I'm gonna feather it in. I'm gonna feather all of the imperfections out. Now I'm gonna do this same way. I'm gonna start high, and I'm gonna aim into the corner, and then I'm gonna draw a straight line. I'm gonna add some more paint to my brush. I'm gonna start high. Don't be afraid to put it on. I'm gonna draw back. I'm gonna put the grain on, and I'm gonna remove all of the imperfections. Look how nice that looks. You just did your first piece of baseboard professionally.